Welcome! It's time to join the Balmain army. At least that's what their website says. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a luxury haul unboxing video of all things Balmain. Now, if you have been watching my videos for a while, you probably saw that I did do a reveal of a beige Balmain blazer previously. So here I am going to be unveiling even more goodies from the fashion house. I have really grown to love this fashion house and I am really excited to be adding more and more pieces. So I actually have 4 new pieces to unbox with you today. Now, before we get started into everything, really quick, I did want to show you this blazer that I am wearing. I am really loving it. It's very reminiscent of the Balmain style. It does have the buttons here and then the buttons right in here. I actually picked this up from White House Black Market. So if you are looking for a really great Balmain dupe, check out their trophy jackets. They don't always have them all the time, but I have seen them come in different seasons. They'll bring in different colors. So this is just a white one. I love these though because they are really stretchy. So you can actually get your true to size. It will fit you like a glove, but it's not really constricting. So like I said, if you want a good dupe, check them out. So the first 2 items I actually purchased on Farfetch because the prices were amazing for these items. So you can see they're very small, skinny boxes, but inside, just as Farfetch right there. If you are not familiar with Farfetch, I did talk about them in another video as well, but they are an amazing online retailer that sells brand new luxury items for pretty much any brand you can think of, except for like, you know, Chanel, Louis, but even then they have real ones. But they're really similar to like My Teresa or Louise V. Aroma. It's kind of like an online only Saks or Neiman's, or you get the gist. But they always have really good sales as well. So I would highly check them out. The way that they're able to have their prices be so low is they source from all over the world. So you make your purchase on Farfetch, they talk with their vendor in whatever location for that price that they are promoting at that point, and then pass those savings on to you. So the more you purchase with them, the higher discounts you get. I recently reached silver status and I got 15% off anything I wanted, as long as it wasn't on sale. But if it is on sale, a lot of times they do 30% off sale items. So either way, you can save a lot. And they always have really good stocks, good selection of sizes and things like that. So definitely check them out. This first piece, it looks like it was sourced from Harvey Nichols. So we all know that. That is one of Kate Middleton's go-tos in England. So let's open it up. Looks like they just kind of wrapped it up here. So this is the Balmain tank. It's so pretty. Make sure you can see it. It's not washed out. I'm sure you've seen these all over Instagram and everywhere. These regularly retail for, I want to say like $360, which, you know, for a tank top or a shirt, that's a lot. The fabric, it is very, very soft. It's not like super thick to where I could see them putting in $300 worth of material in here. It's not like a handmade, you know, suede or leather shoe. But I think for what you get, if you want a luxury shirt, this is an awesome brand to go with. Gucci shirts, those are like $600 and up. I think the lowest one might be $600. And those don't even, they have like maybe a screen print. This is like a nice, shiny, very well done screen print on there. And it also has the traditional Balmain buttons, which is kind of what sold me. You just get so much more with these, and they fit amazing, super comfortable, and perfect for the summer, being white and a tank top style. So if you are looking for a luxury shirt or tank for summertime or pretty much whenever, I would say shop Balmain. And then for the other skinny box, it's a similar item, also by Farfetch. I'm not sure where they sourced this one. Somewhere in Italy, in Perugia, Italy. I don't know what the actual store is, but this one came from Italy. This one, packaged a little bit differently, has a little Balmain bag here. Open this bad boy up. And this one, you can see it, very similar to the other one. This is the black t-shirt, so it's very similar to the white one, only it is in black, and it actually has sleeves. It also has the same gold buttons. This one, they put bubble wrap around, I think, to protect them, just so that way they wouldn't get dinged up in transit. They also run a little bit large, kind of loose or baggy, so I would recommend either going true to size or maybe even size down if you want a more fitted look. These will definitely fit you pretty well. They are not super tight like their blazers, but I think they are supposed to be worn a little bit larger. The only downside that I have heard of both this style and the tank top version is the washing of them. So it is kind of a pain in the butt, but they do have to be hand washed, because if this goes through the laundry, it can distort the actual shirt, the print can come off, and then the buttons can also get damaged. So I think what you're supposed to do is turn it inside out, hand wash it, let it flat to dry. Just be very careful with this delicateness, because for the price, you don't want to ruin these. But that's really the only negative. I've actually tried both of these on, and I think between the two, if I had to pick just one, I would go with the sleeveless version. Maybe because this one is actually a size larger. I did get the t-shirt one size up. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't going to be tight around the shoulders, because I actually didn't try these on in the store. So I just kind of ordered them online because I saw that they were on sale. My 15% off silver code coupon thing. They fit. This one did end up being a little bit too big, but I'm going to make it work. I'm just gonna rock the baggier style, so that is okay. So like I said, I would recommend going true to size. If you had to pick one, I'd probably do a black tank top, which is ironic because I got neither. But I went with the white with the tank top because white is more summer and tank top. This is black, go with sleeves. I can wear it winter. I could wear this in the summer too, but that was my reasoning between which color and which style. I was gonna get one though, black tank top. Next up, I have two giant garment bags. I kept them in their garment bags because they are both wool items, and yes, you guessed it, they are both the blazers. I wanted to keep them in the garment bags just because they are wool. I don't want any mothy holes. So, this one, another purchase from Farfetch. They sourced it from the Webster, so they sent me their own garment bag. Let me show you which one this is. It is the black blazer with silver buttons. I think this is so gorgeous. I'm gonna get into my reasoning for purchasing this in just a moment. Let me open up my other one real quick so we can go over them. Maybe can I hang it here? Can you see it? Next, another garment bag. This one, I didn't really care for the garment bag it came in, so I ordered a pack online on Amazon. I'll link them down below. They're really cool because they have these little windows, and they are super long, so you can even put like dresses or whatever in them. Let me show you what's in here. Navy. Yes, they're all very similar. Now, if you see any footsies on these, please disregard. We do have a white Pomeranian and a Husky, and you probably know Huskies, they shed once a year for 365 days. So that is all that is. They need a good lint rolling. Even though I haven't worn them, just kind of being in the house. But I digress. Back to what we got. Black with silver, navy with gold. I am in love with both of these combinations. The most common one that you'll see all over Instagram is going to be black with gold, but I did not want that. I actually went into the store, tried on the black and gold, and it didn't work for me. For some reason, something looked off. I was not in love with it, and I was like, is it the blazer that I don't like, or the combination, or what? I wasn't sure. Then I saw the navy and gold, and I fell in love with it. I think it's because the black and gold is very corporate, and I wanted one that could be more like casual, dressed down, or dressed up, which I think that the navy and gold offers really well. The navy I think looks amazing with jeans, or you could even pair this with navy or black pants if you wanted to have it be super dressy if you work in a corporate environment. In contrast, I did want a black one, so that's why I went with these silver buttons, because it was different. It wasn't the gold that I didn't really care for. And I really like the silver. It goes with a lot. I could even wear the silver and black with a purse that has gold hardware on it. I don't think that they would really clash, especially these days where everything has mixed metals anyways. So I think I would just get a lot more use out of this. If I really wanted something gold though, I can always match it with this. So that's why I got these two. Very similar yet vastly different jackets for very different purposes. So now I have the three, if you haven't seen my other video, where I have a beige, navy, and black. The only other one, you know, you would think that you'd be done after having 3 Balmain blazers. There is one other one that actually just came out that I've had my eye on. I'm not gonna buy it until I can get a really good deal on it, like until it goes on sale. So since it just came out, it'll probably be a while. But it's not a traditional black or a navy color, so it probably will go on sale at the end of the season. I'll show you a picture here. It is kind of like a taupey nude with gold buttons, and I think the color is gorgeous. I just want to chat and share my thoughts with you guys. So that's all I have for my unboxing. I have so many new amazing Balmain items. I cannot wait to wear them. What's awesome about these is I can pretty much wear them year round. Well, obviously I can't wear the wool jackets in the summertime, but I can wear the t-shirts year round and the jackets if I'm indoors when it's cold, because everybody always likes to crank the AC. So maybe I could get really good use out of it year round. We'll see. But I am going to leave you guys there. Let me know if you have any questions, comments down below. If you have not already done so, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so that way you're notified every time I make a new video. I am going to be on a really regular filming schedule now. So until next time, thanks for stopping by. Should I hang it up here? Look at how well that worked out. Okay. Or not. Come on. Will you stay? Will you stay or will you go?